Hey fam, picture this. You've just woken up, your body's craving movement, and in the next 5 minutes, we're going to shake off the stiffness and get everything flowing. This dynamic mobility routine is like turning on the ignition in your body. Ready to rev up and feel energized? Let's dive in and wake up those muscles. Imagine you're gliding, light on your feet. Start by stepping to your right, bring your left foot over, then step to your left, bringing your right foot over. Add a gentle hop if it feels good, and let your arms swing across your body like they're cutting through the air. For 1 minute, keep this motion going. It's not just a step, it's the start of momentum. You're warming up your legs, your hips, your core, and the rhythm in your movement is sending fresh blood to every part of your body. You're coming alive. Now, let's switch gears into skater toe touches. Imagine you're gliding across ice gracefully yet strong. Step your right foot behind your left foot like a skater. Then reach down with your left hand to touch your right toes. Now switch. Step your left foot behind your right and reach with your right hand. For 1 minute, move back and forth, keeping your body light and fluid. With every step, you're engaging your glutes, quads, and core. It's more than just a stretch. Each touch is a chance to lengthen your muscles, improve your balance, and create flow in your movement. Let's widen the stance now. Feet apart, arms extended. Picture your body as a campus, ready to rotate. Reach your right hand toward your left foot, twisting through your torso, then come back to center, and reach your left hand to your right foot. Keep alternating for 1 minute. Feel the stretch travel up your legs, through your hamstrings, and into your spine. This isn't just about touching your toes. It's about unlocking your flexibility, twisting out the tension, and waking up every part of your core and back. With forward lunges, step your right foot forward, lowering your back knee toward the ground. Push through the front heel to rise, and then switch legs. Left foot forward, back knee down. For 1 minute, alternate lunges, keeping your chest lifted and core engaged. Each step is more than just movement, it's activation. Your legs, your hips, your glutes, they're powering up, getting stronger with every push off the ground. You're creating strength and stretch all at once. Let's finish with energy. Imagine you're marching into the day. Lift your right knee high, then your left. Swinging your arms to build momentum. Each knee lift brings energy up from the ground, activating your core and hip flexors. For 1 minute, march strong, lifting your knees high with intention. It's not just movement, it's you setting the pace for your day. You're finishing with power, heart pumping, body ready for whatever comes next. Fam, in just 5 minutes, you've woken up your body, loosened your muscles, and powered through a full body reset. Whether it's to start your day or warm up before a workout, this routine is your key to mobility and energy. The fun doesn't have to stop here. Check out this full playlist with more stretches, or you can check out this video right here. Let's go!